What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at my house working on this new front porch, and we're getting the trucks all the way across right now. I have to run to the lumber yard and get a couple more pieces for this platform. We also need one more for the back here, a little ripped piece. There is a small rip that sits under the J-channel. You can't really tell that it's ripped, but it is a little bit. But we need 4 more pieces, so I'm gonna go grab that. That way we can get all of this done, and then we're gonna move on to all of the railings and posts. All right, all the decking is complete. Just screwed down this last little ripped piece here. We got a couple posts left. We got one there, one here, one in that corner, and Rodrigo is working on this last one that goes in right there. Druddy's working on the railing. So this is starting to come along very nice. We need to figure out the staircase after this. We kind of have it figured out already. There's going to be a landing down there, another staircase back there, but that is going to be for a later date. The railings are going to take us pretty much the rest of the day. It's almost lunchtime now, so obviously we got to cut in a couple more posts still. But I'm very happy with how it is coming along. Right there.
Dame la espada for 1 second.
You need it?
Por eso yo traje.
This battery is finito. Should I hit it or should I cut it a little more? Hit it?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so it is about 1 o'clock. We're just finishing up lunch right now, but this deck is starting to come together real nice. The white railings getting installed. We got a couple more posts to do and then finish up the railings over here. We're hoping that we won't need a railing on the inside of the staircase here, only one on the outside. We are gonna close off under the deck here, so it's like a solid wall. When you're going down it, there's really nowhere for you to fall, so we shouldn't need a railing. It's really going to be up to the building inspector and what he says, but I think we're going to get away without it. But this is going to wrap it up for today. Tomorrow I will finish this video out when the deck is complete. Well, the top of the deck, I should say, the post with the railings. The staircase we're not going to get to today. That'll be another day, but that is pretty much it for this, and I will see you guys tomorrow when we're done. All right, guys, the railings are complete all across the deck. All the posts, everything is done, and I am absolutely thrilled with how this came out. Put some caution tape here so while I'm up here I don't fall off. Obviously don't want to do that, but hopefully we can get the staircase on here soon and complete this deck. I am absolutely in love with it. I think the color matches the house very well. So that is pretty much it for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.